Okay, good morning. Today we're going to see what type of projects my students bring to class and how they're working on their projects, which are due in a week for final grade. This one that I have here represents toxic waste and landfills. The topic of landfills, where if they recycled paper, if they recycled plastic, if they recycled glass, and e-waste and etc., we would do away with landfills entirely. So we're going to see today what the students are doing. I have 18 students who absolutely committed that they would absolutely do their projects totally in film, in the form of film. So this is a Kickstarter. These videos, we did one yesterday, and we're doing one today. They're Kickstarters, just featuring students' projects in the work. The title of the project for one set of classes is Our World, and the other one is an environmental stewardship project. So let's see what happens today.
And today I'm going to be talking about climate change, which can also be abbreviated to CO2, which that is when the fossil fuels go up in the air. That is usually created by factories, cars, and it makes the weather change, and it puts a lot of pollution in the air. So what we can do to stop the climate change, like all of the pollution from going into the air, the climate change, and from the ice capsules melting and the earth overheating, is that we can tell people, because not a lot of people are aware of it, and we can, just start cleaning up, like everything that people litter up, using so many factories to do so. We can use, stuff that, can naturally be produced, and stop using, all these and cars and gasoline that makes the air bad.
Spread the word and help stop climate change. Climate change is the rise in the average temperature on Earth.
Some of the effects of climate change is that the Earth is overheating, and all of the ice capsules are melting, and that is causing for a lot of animals to die. And what we can do to stop it is...
A few ways to stop climate change is by eating wisely, getting others involved, flying less. It leaves a huge carbon footprint.
A lot of people aren't aware of this, so what we can do to stop it is tell a lot of people about it and start cleaning up a lot of trash that's on the floor that's creating a lot of pollution. And, use more natural resources, and that will help a lot.
We just went online and we got research and tried to get as much informed as much as we could. And we got pictures to describe everything.
We don't want the negative effects to affect everybody and for everyone's health to be in risk. So we would like you guys to tell as many people as you can and try to create a group or something to pick up trash, like in the beach. And yeah.
Okay. Did you do the beach clean?
I'm against people that harm animals.
Okay.
Some important things that I've discovered was that they test makeup, drugs, they test chemicals on animals.
Okay.
Elephants in circus, they get mistreated and to do plays on the circus. Animals don't deserve to be abused.
Our project is on banning plastic bags.
Our slogan will be BYOB, which means bring your own bag.
The major problem of it is that people keep dumping their waste in the ocean, knowing that it can kill other animals. knowing that they're dumping scrap metal, plastics from like soda cans or bottles, the whole together. Anything else, like it could be anything. It can even be radioactive waste. That even worse, like something can happen to the fish. It can like anything, or even oil spill that covers up their gills where they stop breathing and they die. And the seaweed also that takes over, and the fishes, it covers up like all their homes and everything. And the more that happens, the more they don't know where to go. And the U.S. or any other country always dumps 7 million tons of trash each year.
Okay, today we had some wonderful projects at Monroe High School, and we had it through the Film Academy, and we also had it through a lot of my classes where they presented environmental stewardship projects. They were given a lot of latitude. They chose from topics like acid rain, air pollution, landfills, recycling, water pollution, ocean pollution, climate change, ozone, toxic waste, renewable energy and non-renewable energy, extinction of non-native species, and they did some fantastic work. Each one was different and unique in and of itself, and I'm so proud of the productivity of my students that they actually practiced the 4 Ps that I always preach to them, and they were radiant. They were so different, that which proves to me that one size does not fit all. Student-centered learning is a great way to go, and what a wonderful way to tie in a semester to have student work showcased and working in groups